Alright, this is a Bruce cutter that I purchased from Amazon, and these are the accessories. You can see here, these are the two handles, and this is the belt, this is the screws, and this is the guard, and these are the blades. So this is the handle, then we have the guard, and this one is the this is another equipment. This is blade, and this is the engine. If you can see, this is 50cc 4-stroke RBD. I believe this is the first time in India they have invented this machine. So basically here we don't need to mix the fuel and an oil. Rather, the fuel chamber is different and the oil chamber is different. So I'm going to assemble this, and I will show you how to do that. So keep watching my video. All right.